What's going on, guys? We're on the wharf in Salmon Arm. I just dropped Miss Uma off to get her surgery 2.0. If you didn't know, she had blood in her urine the last surgery, so they had to cancel it. Blood work came back, she's all good, all clear. So she's in surgery again, so I got to hang out in Salmon Arm for the day. I thought I'd come down here. Never seen this before. This is pretty cool. Look at this. Not bad at all. Yeah. Cool place to hang out. A little cooler down by the water. It's going to be a hot day. But yeah, I have to continue on to Vernon. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. So hopefully Umi's not in too bad shape. I got some painkiller meds for her and stuff. Listen to that bird. Well, of course, as soon as I stop talking, it stops. Is it like a loon or something? What is it? Where are you? Oh, now you disappear on me. Nice. Must be fishing. Holy cow, they can hold their breath for a while. Oh, is that him? Is that you? Yeah, so anyway, interesting place to go walk to, since I've never seen it before. Pretty cool. It's pretty long pier, I guess you call it. Yeah, I think there are a couple restaurants at the end here. Nice little walk to the end and check it out. Feels so weird without Uma. Again. Hopefully she's good. They're gonna call me around noon after the surgery's done, let me know how it went. So yeah, definitely impatiently waiting for noon to come.
Where's your dad?
Uma, come here, girl.
You ready? Where's your dad?
It's okay, baby. Come here.
You see him?
Hi.
You ready?
It's okay, Uma.
She's like, I think I hear you.
Hi, baby. It's me. Hi.
Good girl.
Oh my goodness.
Hi.
Hi, Uma. Hi,
Your
baby.
tail's wagging.
I see your tail.
Oh, and she did have an epidural too, so
Oh,
she might be a little bit weak in her hind
Okay.
end.
All right, so with Miss Uma recovering inside, she's in my daughter's house. I actually borrowed a crate from somebody to keep her in when nobody can watch her full time. But she's doing really well, keeping away from licking her wound and everything. So yeah, things are looking up. Very important that she doesn't lick her wound, because that could mess up a lot of things that they'd have to remove the plate if it gets infected, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, while I'm here, I might as well replace this for hopefully the last time. You can see it cracked again, because I was using plastic there. Kind of silly to use plastic when you step on it every day. So yeah, I ordered an aluminum one. I'm just going to take this one off and mark all the holes and drill it and countersink it. And hopefully that'll fix everything. So stay tuned. All right, I think we did a good job on that. Countersunk all the holes. Come on, focus. Yeah, this should be a permanent fix. I like permanent fixes much better than temporary ones. Holy cow, got a lot of work to do. Just want to clean up the van before the Van Fest next month. I got to replace my fantastic fan lid. And I want to redo the plasti dip on my front grill here. You see how it's fading in spots? And there are bug splats and stuff all over it. So yeah, just want to freshen everything up. Make it look good, because I'm doing tours at the Van Fest. So yeah. All right, let's get this thing buttoned down and move on to the next project. All right, well that looks a hell of a lot better. No more cracks. Screws are nice and flush. Beautiful job, done by the Scottage. I just noticed I forgot to take the label off it. Well, I'll do that later. On to the next project, which is my front grill. I've already got it off. I don't know if all the stuff will peel off or if I got to sand it off or what, but that's what I'm doing next. How you doing, Umi? You okay? Getting used to your donut? See her back legs all shaved? That's cool that their skin is even brindle, eh? Because her whole leg is shaved, obviously. And they shaved back here for her epidural. Yeah, she's all drugged up, nice and quiet, the way she should be. All right, so while Miss Uma is upstairs chilling out and relaxing and healing, hopefully quickly, 12 to 16 weeks recovery. Unbelievable. But anyhow, look at the job I did on my grill. All the plasti dip peeled off. I can't believe it peeled off so easily after 5 or 6 years of it being on there. But yeah, came off pretty good, cleaned it all up. Now I just got to wait for some warmer days. It's been a cold, rainy weekend. So hopefully tomorrow's going to be sunny that I can get that painted and back on the van. You want to see something new that I bought? I got myself a 3D printer. I'm actually printing a heater vent right now that's for the van that redirects it up instead of straight out. Because Uma's bed kind of blocks off one of the heater vents. So yeah, that'll redirect it straight up instead of just blowing right out of her bed sort of thing. But yeah, I'm loving this 3D printer. I've been printing every day since I've had it. And of course, you normally print out this little boat as a test. And then I printed this toolbox. It's pretty slick, all the stuff that you can print. I'm really going to enjoy this thing. Now, obviously, I couldn't have had it during my full-time van life, but as my tiny house is being built, I'll have lots of projects to do. I've already ordered lots of filament. So yeah, it's time to play with my new toy. I love it. But yeah, I think that might be it for this week, guys. Don't have a lot going on other than looking after Uma. So yeah, I'm going to leave it right here, and we'll see you guys next time, hopefully. If you guys haven't subscribed already, I'd really appreciate it if you do. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys. No, no, no.